How to transfer photos from Google Photos to laptop. Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you transfer photos from Google Photos to laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. So right now I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the Chrome browser, in the source field you'll have to type for photos.google.com. Alright, so after you log in with your account on this Google Photos, you'll be able to see such interface. So now from here, you'll have to click on your profile icon just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply click on it. And now from here, you'll have to click on this option, manage your Google account. So from here, you'll have to go the options like data and privacy. So it will appear at the left hand side of your screen. Alright, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go the options like app. Alright, so from the app and services, you'll have to just click on this arrow. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go with this section like photos. So from here, you can know that I have the 4 photos on my Google Photos. So from here, you can go with the options like transfer data and download. So simply you can download this photo on your PC, or you can go with the option transfer data. So from here, you can easily go with these options. So these are the easiest and simplest process. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.